Morning, afternoon, evening, people. So something a bit different for you today. I was out on a dog walk at this place. I have got the drone with me, so putting the drone up at the end for a look over the top. So this is Temple Bruer. It was once the second wealthiest Templar in England after London. The surviving 13th century tower originally formed part of the Templar church. It was one of two towers in the 13th century, and this is the only one remaining. So there's a view of the tower from the outside. There's the door. There's a plaque of the door that's on the door, and then now I'm going to take you inside for a quick look round inside. Are you coming down or are you going up?
I'm getting dizzy because I'm carrying him and all. And he's wriggling. Where are we down here?
Up the windy staircase. And then it goes up more. Oh, that's barred off. Stuff on the wall there. Willie Newark, 1837. RB, 1800. IP, 1749. Can't make out what that says. Take a walk around the outside. That's the floor we were on, that's the top floor we couldn't get to. In a sec we'll see if we can get the drone up and take a look. Right, so we have takeoff. As you can tell, very windy. Drone took a little while to stabilise itself. It's got nice and stable. Pan down on the tower. See a bit of the surrounding countryside. There's a bit of sun glare, so you have to excuse the glare from the sun. It's a sunny day. Moving around the tower. Now I am a new drone pilot. This is only my 5th or 6th flight, so I'm still learning. And like I say, it was very windy, so some of the shots a bit shaky. gaining a bit of altitude there. I'm going to spin around now and do a loop around the tower. It's not often you get to see a 13th century tower for a bar visit. That's why I had to do this. I thought you'd like to see. As you can see, a bit of bad glare from the sun there. It was very sunny, and the camera's facing into the sun now. So back to where we took off from, just above where we took off from. Gain some altitude now. So I'm going to go right over the top. Good bit of altitude now. Going in to go over the top of the tower. We go directly above it, looking down on it. Now the Knights Templar definitely didn't get that view of their tower, did they? There's my wife, Teddy and myself on the ground. We're coming to land now. I left this in because I think it looks quite good. Bring it into land. And there you can see the wife, Teddy. There's myself flying. Just coming into land now. And there we are on the ground. So if you like that video, hit thumbs up, give us a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.